Alright, so welcome back to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, please subscribe. If you are not yet subscribed, I'll be giving you step-by-step videos on how to make money online, Amazon KDP, and lots more. Alright, so in this video I'll be showing you how to convert your books into KPF file. Alright, now a KPF file is a file that is called Kindle file format, Kindle print format. Is actually from Amazon. They are the one that created the app. As you can see, this app, you have to download it, or you just come over here, just search for Kindle Create, right? I'll be showing you how to convert your, you can see it here, how to convert your normal ebooks, your normal manuscript into Kindle format before you publish it as Kindle. It's actually very nice because it's gonna give the Kindle readers, those that buy Kindle format or read Kindle books, a good overview, and then they'll have that flexibility to read, and everything is just perfect for reading with their Kindle tablet. All right, so you come here and then you just click on this, and then if you don't have the app on your laptop, or it doesn't, I think it's only laptop that you can see, it's only PC and then MacBook you can download. They don't have that of smartphones. All right, so that's if you have a laptop, you download it here. But as for me, I've already have it on my laptop. So you just come here and then you open the app. All right, I'll just show you how to use it. All right, so we'll be using one of my books. We'll be using one of my books to do that. Alright, so we're using this book as a sample, alright, to convert it into KPF file before uploading it on Amazon KDP. Alright, so as I explained, you have to get the app. So this is the app, and then you come here and then create new. Alright, maybe the time you will be watching this video you have updated the app, but it's just exactly the same thing, just maybe little modifications. You might see, click on continue. Yeah, I don't used to waste my time doing all these things here. Just come here, you see choose file, just click on it. You have already finished formatting your file, right? So I'll be using one of my books. Let me see. Yeah, I'll be using this one. Let's just use this one as an example. I open. When you click on open, it's going to load. As you can see, it's importing the file into the app. Alright, so as I said, it gives you the best version, or it converts your book to the best view, so that all Kindle, those that have the Kindle tablet, can read it in the best view that is expected. But if you just upload your document, which is normal for you to upload your document, you might upload a document like this, but it might not appear like this when the Kindle when they view it with the Kindle tablet or they buy the book. It's going to be scattered. Sometimes you can see the copyright coming to this page, you can see the table of content congesting and all that. So it's advisable you use the Kindle Create to modify your book. But for the paperback, you can just convert it to PDF just like this, and then you're good to go. But for the Kindle, that's the best way to use it. So after you have imported your file, as you can see, it's still important. So it takes longer time depending on the length of the book. Yeah, it doesn't use network, it's just a normal app on your PC. So I don't know. Yeah, it's already opened. Yeah, so it has already opened. Let me hide this. Yeah, so you click on continue here. As you can see, you click on get started. Yeah, so you can see it has showed me. Now by default you click on, I usually click on reject all, because this is the preview that is supposed to give us. So you click on reject all. We are going to do our manual editing, but if I click on accept, that way it showed me earlier on. That's how it's going to be. It's expected to show on the Kindle tablet when they purchase the book. So here you just make, what you do here, you just make some little adjustments. So you can see the first page is okay. You click on here again, you just adjust it. If you actually want to adjust maybe you want to change you can make it bold here. You just choose what you want to do with it, but anyhow you use it here will actually will actually appear exactly on that. So it's actually a small book I did just for the sake of this sample. Yeah, so you see, you can just, all I do is just make sure I adjust it so that it will not join with the other, and then this one to adjust it. So you can make other modifications if you want. You can you can, maybe you want the book to have a red header. You just come here, click on formatting, make it maybe red. You can choose to make it bold. You can choose to centralize it. Maybe you want to set something like maybe font face for it. Anyhow, you just choose to, and unless the font they don't have much font. Yeah, so if you want, you can do that. The same for the subheadings as well. You can just choose at least any color you choose is gonna appear, because it's a Kindle format. It's gonna appear on it. So you set up your, maybe you want to set up like this. So you just do everything you want to do. I just use this as an example, so you can see. You see my face page, you see my copyright page. You can see, you can do the same thing again for the table of content as well. The header, just click on it, you edit, do your text, and that's exactly how it's going to appear on your Kindle format. Alright, you can bold it depending on what you want. So let's see, we are good to go. Yeah, we are good to go, and all that. So after you are done with all that, maybe you are okay now, your book is okay for you the way you are seeing it, then you come here and click on export. Now you export this KPF file. That's what you're going to export, not EPUB. Alright, EPUB, you can still publish EPUB, but this is the best. You see, recommended for Kindle and print. Yeah, so this is the best format. You just click on export, and then they will export the file. Alright, so you can just choose where you want to drop it. We can just drop it on our desktop. You see it will be exported. Okay, sorry, I have not put the name. Let me just put Maui KPF file. So mostly it comes with its folder. So as you can see, you are ready to publish. So it's already done. You can, if you want, you can show your file, but me, I don't waste my time. I'll just close it. Alright, and then I'll close my app. I'm done. So this one is short because it's a small book. Just a book I'm just generating. I actually did it for a tutorial, not a book I'll be publishing. Alright, so it's just a small book. You can see it's just a 19 page, I'll be 20 page. But if you are doing it for a book that is over 100 pages, it might take a longer time. But I'm just showing you, it's just the same thing, just the basics on how to edit your book, and then you are done with the formatting. So you come here, you can see it's actually coming. You can see it here. So actually it will come with its folder, or if a folder is already created on your desktop, it will be there. So you just see it, you can see. So this is how it's going to look like, the Kindle Create format. So when you upload it directly where you are uploading your Kindle, it will pick up, and then your book will look so beautiful as it is in the Kindle Create. Thank you for watching this video. If you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and click on the notification button for more videos. And I also have a KDP course. If you really want to learn KDP, this is a course at a very discounted price, and so much value in this course, so much value. Just click around the description of this video, and then you get started with us. Thank you.